Ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Something mysterious is happening on Cap'n Turbot's boat. A crate full of frozen fish vanished from the flounder.
That sure sounds fishy.
We have to find out who it is and stop them. Chase, I need your detective skills. Zuma, I need your hovercraft and scuba gear.
Let's dive in.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Hi, Ryder. Hi, Zuma. How can we snare these seafood-snatching suspects?
We'll use these fish-flavored pup treats as bait. Roar! Zip line. Gotcha! Huh? There's more than one?
Ryder, our slippery suspects are penguins.
Penguins?
Yes.
I almost had them, but they got away.
We have to get those birds back to their cold homes.
Sorry, Wally. We're all out of fish and ideas.
Huh?
Ay, an iceberg!
Maybe they could ride it home, if we can get them on it.
We can't lure them. We're all out of fish.
What else do penguins eat?
My squid jerky!
Hey, Zuma, can you take this over to the iceberg?
Sure thing.
Woo! P.U.
Chow time, little penguin dudes. Aw, they're so happy on that iceberg. Rusty's Rex Rescue. And the bits go wild in the stands as Ruby guards the net, ready for anything. All right, show me what you've got, Rusty. Oh, it is on. I'll show you exactly what I've got, Ruby. Presenting the one and only Kick-O-Matic 3000! Nice and easy now. Whoa! Okay, I might need to make a few adjustments. And we might need to find a new ball while we're at it. Hey, Spike found it. And popped it again. Huh? Good fetch, Bites. Good boy. Oh no, the Kick-O-Matic. Bites broke it. Nah, it'll take more than a little dent to break the Kick-O-Matic 3000. Watch. Come on, Kick-O-Matic, let's go. Well, you know what I always say. There's nothing broken that can't be fixed. Here's the problem. A burnt-out microchip. Without a new one, the Kick-O-Matic can't move. Hey, I've got one just like this. Let's get back to the Rivet Lab. Hey, guys! Hey, guys! Hi, Liam. What's up? You've got to check this out. Prepare yourselves to be so amazed, so afraid, so in awe. Oh, wait. Hold on. His name is Tyrannosaurus Ralph. Pretty ferocious, huh? Wow, that is a pretty awesome dinosaur, Liam. Want to play with him? That sounds like fun, buddy. But right now, we've got some fixing to do. Can I help? Can I? Huh? Can I? Please? You know, maybe you can help. Yes. Is there a button I can push? I'm really good at pushing buttons. Can you keep Bites busy while we fix the Kick-O-Matic? Yeah, Bites would love a good game of fetch. I can do that. Let's go. Okay, Bites. Let's find something in the recycling yard that a robo-doggy would want to play fetch with. You wouldn't even believe how far I can throw stuff. What? You don't believe me? It's easy. All you gotta do is wind up, look at the target, and throw! told you I can throw stuff. What have I done? Tyrannosaurus Ralph! Ralph! Where are you? Speak to me! Is he up there? Hang on, Ralph! I'll save you! Sorry for tossing you up here. Still friends? Thanks, Ralph. Whoa, this is way higher than I thought. Okay, that's not good. And done. One new microchip ready to go.
Okay, now for the tricky part. Ray, how about some light? Crush, screwdriver. Whirly, pliers. Chocolate milk. Thanks, Jack. Now for the most delicate finishing touch. One wrong move, and I mess up everything.
Whoa! What was that? Liam! Liam! Where are you?
Bites, where is he, boy?
Liam! Hi. Oh, no! Liam, are you okay?
How'd you get up there?
It's totally not my fault. Ralph went up here and I had to save... Whoa! Help!
Don't move, Liam!
Bites! This is no time to run away. Keep still, Liam. We'll have you down in no time. How are we gonna get him down in no time?
Well, the pile's too unstable for us to climb up there. And using a ladder would only push it over.
I know. Let's get some bits on the fix.
Higher, Jack! Reach, Crush! Almost there, Ray! Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work.
We can't play fetch right now, boy. Besides, that's way too big. I need a giant magnet to lift it.
That's it! We can use the magnet crane! It's definitely tall enough to reach Liam. Come on!
Okay, I'll just wait right here.
Time to bolt!
That's right. This way. You're all good. Okay, we're almost there. Just a little bit more. Stop! It's not going to work. The crane's too wide to fit through.
Huh. We don't have time to move that stuff out of the way either. We need another idea.
Whoa! You guys better hurry. Ralph is super duper scared.
Ralph!
That's it. Let's combine it.
And design it. We've got to get Liam down with something that's tall, but not too scary. If we start with car parts from the yard,
And we use the Kikomatic's super tall legs.
and then we add the big metal scoop Bites found to carry Liam down. Put it all together, and we've got our plan.
lifelike. Let's try something safer.
Cute, but maybe a little too cute.
Hey, I think I've got it. You know how Bites is always looking for someone to play with? Well, check this out.
Wow, great job, Ruby.
Twice the puppy, twice the fun, right?
Totally. All right, Botasaur, let's go save Liam.
Ralph, no matter what happens, I promise I'll never, ever let go of you again. Are you Ralph's daddy?
Hey, Liam, need a lift?
Rusty, I knew you'd save me. Sweet ride.
Thanks, buddy. Hop in.
Well, I guess I've been in weirder places. Whee! We did it! Way to go, Botasaur! That was so awesome, you guys! And Ralph has something he'd like to say. That means thank you in dinosaur.
You're welcome, Ralph.
I'm glad Bites finally has someone to play with.
Now, where's he off to?
Oh no, now there's two of them who want to play fetch.
Twice the puppy, twice the fun. Right, Ruby?
Yep.
The Great Nate Chase. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. We need you to pick up the world-famous Popstar Piggies at Farm Station and deliver them to Central Square Station.
Well, clickety-clack! How about that? I'm the biggest fan!
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Howdy do, Farmer Faye! Ladies and gentle trains, the Popstar Piggies! Oink, 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 oink! All right, no more messing around! Because I need to watch out for corkscrew curve! Going too fast! Oh, my brakes are broken! Calling Mission Station! I've got train trouble!
Clear the tracks for Nate and Max. Speed is all you need.
Catch you later, y'all!
If speed isn't working, there are lots of other things you can do. I've got it! Mighty Grappling Claw, activate! Whoa! Oh! Got another quick idea, Nate? Mega Brakes, activate!
Wowee! You may be fast, Nate, but it was your quick thinking that saved my caboose this time.